Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys I have a very nice unboxing for you, and this is of the recently released A51 from Samsung. So this is a Samsung Galaxy device, and of course as you can see here you do get it with this promotional offer of this free storage on Google. I'm not sure, it's basically written in another language. It says Google One, so I'm assuming it's either Google One Drive or of course an extra memory card. Alright, you can see the outer portions of the box that the device comes in. Nice box, nice presentation. I'm just giving you an overall run through of the box, and of course you can see right around here the serial information. Let me just block this out. And of course this is the Samsung Galaxy A51. It's the 128GB. It comes with 4GB of RAM. This is a 6.5 inch. It comes with a 48 megapixel camera, and it's a quad camera. It contains a dual SIM, and of course this version is unlocked. Alright, so of course let's open the box to see what you get. And of course I've kind of pre-opened this. You see the basic sticker information that comes over the display, and of course I've pre-removed this. You'd also get this very cool case that you can notice already on the device, and put this aside for a while. And of course you get your carrier information here, and over here guys you have the adapter brick, standard memory card that came inside of the box. And of course along with that you also I think this is the same memory card it was referring to on the box, so let's put this aside. Down here you can find your other accessories. Here we have the USB Type-C cable, very nice. USB Type-C offers faster charging, and of course you can get to your data that much faster. All right, which is a nice addition. All right, so of course next, as soon as we check this out, we have down here the headphone, which is meaning that this device still has a headphone jack, which doesn't come on most devices now, but of course it's a nice addition. All right, so that's all that comes inside of the box. I'll just put this aside for a minute just to further check out the device itself. All right, so you can see the device itself inside of its casing. It comes with a crystalline case, very nice. We have the blue edition here. You can see the front of the device, camera front and center, nice. On the base here you can see the headphone jack, charge port, which is USB Type-C, loudspeaker, and the microphone section. All right, which is as I said before, it's very nice that it still has its headphone jack. On the back of the device you can see the quad camera setup, and of course you can see a total of four cameras I should say, plus the LED flash. And you can see the preview compares, it's very nice. The blue edition is the nice version, and of course I prefer the blue compared to the other colors that this comes with, including black and of course white. You can see volume up and down to the side over here. You can see the SIM tray, which you can eject with the included SIM tool. And of course let me just show you where the SIM tool is located. It's actually at the top of the box, so look out for that in case you missed it. It's on the upper section of the box. All right, now back to the main device. Now as you can see here guys, we have the earpiece up here, I think, and of course you can see it right there to the sides around here. You'll see the volume up and down and the power next to the side that my thumb is at. And of course you can see that the camera setup is very nice, and of course this is in keeping with Samsung's newer design language of the S20, right? And of course this is the A51, which is, I would say, a mid-range device. You can see the great display. One of the best things about this device guys is that it's super thin, and of course it has this great color schemes, and the display is so nice. Samsung makes some of the best displays on the market, and this is a AMOLED display. You can see our apps over here. I've already preloaded some. You can also check out the camera. The camera quality is very good, especially under very good lighting condition. You do lose some quality when it's less lighting in the environment, but of course not so much. So it does perform very well. And as you can see here guys, my first time setting this up. You can see the video modes here. We have video, photos, and of course we have in the more mode you can see a bunch of other features that's built in. So let's just check out the camera quality right here of the A51 main camera, which is 48 megapixels. And of course you can see the picture was just taken. Check this out guys. The quality is very nice. Even when you zoom you can see the high quality and details in each picture. Alright, so of course solid job. And of course I think this is one of the better things about a mid-range device like this. It does come with a very solid camera. Check out the front camera, guys. You can see me there. Hi guys. And of course I'm just recording here. You can see that we have easily switch between camera modes. Of course there's autofocus and all the standard camera features. We have the wide angle lens. We also have the standard lens. And of course, if it was a more premium device, we'd probably get a third lens. And the same for the front-facing camera, which is also a nice touch. We have the wide lens, which means you can fit more friends into a picture in case you're taking a group photo and so on. All right, so that means more can be captured whenever you're streaming or live streaming. All right, guys. So far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing with this device. It's well thought out. Samsung did a very solid job with this generation of devices. And of course you can pick this up, guys, around 200 to 300 US dollars. If you press the power button, guys, you do get Bixby, which is set into the power button. Reprogram the button at the side there. But of course you can always come into the quick toggles up here. You can see some of the features, including dark mode. You have Samsung Kids and quick access to the main use features of your device. And of course this has the latest Android update. You can check it out. We have dark mode full support. It's a great touch just to reduce strain on your eyes, especially at night. You can check out the power menu right here, guys, like the transparent background. When you're in the power menu, that's a very nice touch. And of course you can also see here the my apps that are all installed. And of course we can check out the version information in a little while to show you what we actually get. So far so good. So of course if I were to recommend, I would recommend that you get the blue color. It's the best looking of all the colors. And of course the unlocked version allows you to use with any network, and you do get that very nice memory card, which is a cool addition to this device. Alright, so of course you have all your standard apps including Netflix. All of them work flawlessly. You can play your video games, you name it. Alright, so let's go into settings just to show you some detailed software information. So we're going to about this version is the A51F, and of course here you can see it's running One UI version 2.1 and Android version 10 as of September 1st 2020. So you do get all the latest updates. I think this device was released around in June or July of this year, so it's just a few months old. So you know you'll have support for software updates up until years later, so you can expect this will be good for 2-3 years in terms of software update. And of course you do get the memory card and a bunch of other additional features. And I love this device. In terms of storage, we can check out to see how much storage we actually get. We know of course that the device itself comes with the default 128 gigabyte, which is the standard. As you can see, 103 gigabytes is free. I've used up quite a bit, 24.3 gigs used out of the main storage. You can see what I've used it for. And of course you can see the SD card, which is roughly 60 plus gigs. And of course I have just some of that already used, and you can see I have 3.65 megabytes stored on this already. And of course this device is brand new. I'm just playing around with it right now. And of course you can check out this for yourself. Below I'll put a link to this where you can purchase it on Amazon for yourself. It's a great mid-range device, comes in at an affordable price, and of course it can be beat in terms of design. It looks great. You do get a lot of cool camera features with a very high resolution camera. That's very nice for a mid-range device. Solid display, it's very thin. And of course you'll be getting the latest features and updates from Samsung. Alright guys, if you like this tutorial, of course this unboxing and review, please let me know below in the comments. Ricardo from Block Tech Tips, as always, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.